Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week, we discuss adaptability. The automotive industry has always been dynamic and constantly evolving. Technological advancements, changing customer preferences, and industry trends have brought about a shift in the way things work. As an automotive technician, it is essential to cultivate adaptability to not only survive, but also thrive in this ever-changing landscape. In this video, we will explore the importance of adaptability and discuss strategies to stay ahead in the fast-paced automotive industry. Embrace technological advancements. One of the significant factors driving change in the automotive industry is rapid technological advancement. From hybrid and electric vehicles to advanced driver assistance systems, the industry is witnessing a revolution. As an automotive technician, it is crucial to embrace these changes and proactively update your skills. Stay informed about the latest technologies, attend training sessions, and pursue certifications to ensure you are well equipped to handle the emerging technologies. Continuous learning. In the evolving automotive industry, learning should be a lifelong commitment. Expand your knowledge base by staying up to date with the latest industry trends, attending workshops, and participating in webinars. Cultivate a growth mindset that encourages curiosity and the willingness to learn. Develop a habit of reading industry publications and subscribing to newsletters to stay informed about new tools, techniques, and developments. The more you invest in your learning, the better equipped you will be to adapt to changes. Develop problem-solving skills. Adaptability often goes hand in hand with problem-solving skills. As an automotive technician, you will encounter various challenges on a daily basis. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, approach these challenges as opportunities for growth. Develop strong problem-solving skills by analyzing issues systematically, breaking them down into manageable parts, and identifying efficient solutions. Effective problem-solving will not only enhance your adaptability, but also set you apart as a valuable asset in the industry. Foster collaboration and networking. In a rapidly changing industry, collaboration and networking are vital. Build relationships with peers, colleagues, and industry experts. Participate in professional organizations, attend conferences, and engage in online forums. Collaborating with others allows you to gain insights, share knowledge, and stay updated on industry trends. Additionally, networking opens doors to new opportunities, whether it be exploring new job roles or discovering innovative solutions to common challenges. Adapt to customer expectations. The automotive industry is heavily influenced by changing customer expectations. Today's customers demand personalized experiences, faster service, and convenience. To thrive in this environment, adapt your approach to meet these evolving demands. Stay attentive to customer feedback, actively seek to understand their needs, and adapt your service delivery accordingly. Embrace technologies that enhance customer experience, such as digital communication and inspection channels, online appointment scheduling, and efficient service processes. Embrace environmental stability. With the growing emphasis on environmental sustainability, the automotive industry is shifting towards greener solutions. Develop an understanding of eco-friendly practices such as hybrid and electric vehicle maintenance, and stay informed about emerging environmental regulations. By adapting your skills and services to align with sustainability initiatives, you position yourself as an automotive technician who is future-ready and environmentally conscious. In conclusion, adaptability is the key to thriving in the ever-changing automotive industry. By embracing technological advancements, committing to a continuous learning, developing problem-solving skills, fostering collaboration, adapting to customer expectations, and embracing environmental sustainability, you can stay ahead in this dynamic field. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth, and remember that adaptability is not just a survival skill, but a pathway to success in the automotive industry. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.